I have seen all kind of posters being put up on my behalf by different human beings, friends, and I'm sure even my enemies. Oh, Dele for this, oh, Dele for that. And I was thinking to myself, there's no point talking about this issue. Leave it until later. But I can't leave it until later. Let's deal with it now because it dovetails into what I want to discuss with you all. I don't want to be your president. I'm not interested in becoming a governor either. I want to birth a country. Yeah. I want to birth a Nigeria that my children and your children would be proud of. That is what interests me. As president of this Nigeria, I can't do jack. There's nothing I can do to change this Nigeria. As governor of any state in this Nigeria, maybe I might be able to start the process, but I really can't do anything and it does not interest me. What interests me is much bigger. I want to birth a Nigerian nation, one that my children and your children will be proud to live in. It is not beyond our capacities if we will take ownership of what we have. I know you would argue that you're better off in your utopian republics. No problem, but hear me out. For you to peaceably go into your utopian republics that you believe you can own, since you cannot own Nigeria, you would have to, first of all, own this Nigeria with us. And then we can all sit down as a collective after we have taken ownership of this one. If we don't take ownership of this one, it is next to impossible for you to gain the one that you want. Let the victims of this Nigeria who have despised this Nigeria, because Nigeria is functionally not owned by the victims of Nigeria. It is owned by the ruling class and those who benefit from the stupidity and madness of that ruling class. I have no interest in joining them. See, you humbled me when I went to prison in Ekiti. I came back understanding that it is in our collective that we can be effective. If you hadn't risen up in the manner that you rose up, I would have rotted in that place for as long as the powers who sent me there would care. It was you speaking that got them to move. You. It was you. It took you speaking as a collective. So why should it be so difficult for us to come together as a collective? That is what interests me. I don't want to be your president. I want to see a country where your vote counts. Do you understand? I want to see a country where the rulers or the managers of the country are appointed by you and fired by you. I want to see a country where you can go to the court confident that you will get justice. I want to see a country where our education curriculum makes sense because of our environment. I want to see a country where we are graduating people who can contribute positively to our society. That is what I want to see. I'm not interested in becoming a governor, a senator, House of Reps, and I don't want any office. If I come to you to begin to beg you to make me this or make me that, it makes me a partisan hack. Would I stand behind candidates? You betcha. Would I be part and parcel of some political party? Clap for yourself. I will. I assure you, I'm not becoming apolitical. But I am not interested in political office. I am interested in seeing a country that works for all of us.